The aircode E20 on a Hoover washing machine indicates malfunctions in the appliance's drain system. This issue is often caused by a blocked filter screen or a clogged drain pump. To fix the problem, start by cleaning the drain filter. Power down the appliance and disconnect its main supply. Locate the pump filter access door at the bottom left of the machine's front panel and open it. Before unscrewing the filter, place a towel or a container beneath it to catch any residual water. Unscrew the filter anti-clockwise. Then use a brush to thoroughly clean it, rinsing with clean water before setting it aside to air dry. Next, clean the filter slot before screwing the filter back in place. It is also essential to access the pump and examine the impeller to ensure it is functioning correctly, removing any items that may be blocking it. To prevent future blockages, regularly run maintenance cleaning cycles to avoid deposition in the drain channel. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the aircode E20 issue on your Hoover washing machine.